Imagine standing at the edge of a chaotic sports field, or in the middle of a once-in-a-lifetime wildlife encounter. The action is happening at a blistering pace. Hearts are pounding, dust is flying, and the physical environment is completely unpredictable. You raise your camera, pull the trigger, and a split second later, the moment is gone forever. In the world of visual storytelling, there is no second chance. For years, creators have been forced to choose a distinct side. You could buy a high-resolution monster that crawled when it came to burst speeds, or you could opt for a lightning-fast sports camera that forced you to sacrifice image detail and crop your video projects. But a quiet evolution has been taking place inside the research labs of the industry's biggest photographic giant. Canon looked at the dividing line between high-end professional workstations and enthusiast hybrid bodies and decided to permanently erase it. The result is a machine that completely resets the expectations for what a mid-tier full-frame camera can achieve. It is called the Canon EOS R6 Mark III. This is not a simple cosmetic refresh or a lazy firmware update wrapped in a new marketing campaign. This is a highly calculated, aggressive re-engineering of Canon's most popular hybrid framework. By pulling advanced sensor architecture and processing logic directly from their elite flagship bodies, they have created an absolute powerhouse that threatens to make cameras costing twice the price look completely obsolete. If you are currently shooting on an older mirrorless body, or if you are tired of missing the absolute peak moment of action because your autofocus couldn't keep up, you need to pay very close attention. The EOS R6 Mark III doesn't just iterate on the past. It changes the exact speed at which you capture reality. To fully understand the gravity of what this machine brings to the table, you have to look directly at the heart of the system. Canon has broken away from the traditional 24-megapixel standard that defined this class for nearly a decade, stepping up to a magnificent, newly engineered 32.5-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor. This resolution bump is a massive psychological and practical victory for creators. In the past, if you needed to crop deeply into a sports frame or a distant bird shot, you ran out of pixels incredibly fast, leaving you with soft, unusable images. With 32.5 megapixels at your disposal, you capture an astonishing level of intricate structural detail. You can see the individual feathers on a hawk's wing from hundreds of feet away, or the crisp texture of fabric on an athlete's jersey, while still maintaining the freedom to crop in post-production without sacrificing print or digital sharpness. But increasing resolution usually introduces a terrifying trade-off. Smaller pixels typically mean worse low-light performance and increased digital noise. Canon anticipated this physics problem and completely overhauled the light-gathering efficiency of the sensor circuitry, pairing it with the lightning-fast Digic X processing engine. The result is an image pipeline that delivers breathtaking clarity, immense dynamic range, and an expansive ISO envelope that allows you to confidently shoot in near-total darkness without your shadows turning into a muddy, grainy mess. But raw resolution is completely meaningless if the camera cannot move fast enough to capture the peak of the action. The mechanical and electronic speed of the EOS R6 Mark III is where the engineering choices border on the absurd. When you switch the machine into its electronic shutter mode, it fires off full-resolution images at a staggering